Hey guys, welcome back to the Vera Projects. I went ahead and I bought me a ghillie suit, Temu, through Temu, and I got one for my kid, I got one for myself, a paintball mask. Kind of wanted to see the quality of the product for us to go and be able to play paintball during the summer and then during the winter. So let's see what it looks like. I just received it. All right, so I was able to open this up. See what we get out of here. Looks like one right here. Paintball mask. And one other suit right here. I'm going to show you really quick what the mask looks like. It's actually really good quality, like pretty much like the same ones you would buy on Amazon for like $45. But it's pretty good. So I paid $15 for this mask. You can see the intricacy of the mask itself. The strap is really good, very well made. So yeah, I'm gonna show you what those ghillie suits look like in just a moment. Alright guys, we got the ghillie suit on. Look at this guy. He's ready to go. Alright, we got the suit on. The ghillie suit. This guy, we ordered a medium, but it is definitely for an adult. Now check us out. Alright.
Yeah.
This is what's up. Now we're gonna go ahead and throw ourselves on the ground, see if you find us.
Let's go. It's a normal bush. I can't find it.
Hey look, we gotta go find Noah. Let's see where he's at. Where did this guy go?
Look, there's a normal bush.
I don't know where this guy's at.
Hi.
That's pretty good. Man, I don't know where Mia went, where she's at. Maybe she's down here. She's over here, let's see. Can't find her anywhere. Ah! Alright guys, I'm gonna put the links from Temu on how much it costs us, everything, for you guys to go get yourself some ghillie suits to go hunting, some deer. Winter's coming, and if you want to go some paintballing, that's the place to get your stuff. See you next time. Go ahead, subscribe, hit the likes up, and I'll see you next time with another great video.